Use your sneeze as orgasm practice. Seriously, think about it. How do you sneeze? You feel the sensation come on. You focus on it. You allow it to build. And then, achoo! There it is, you sneeze. Orgasm works the same way. It's about tuning into sensation, letting it rise, and allowing your body to release. So next time you sneeze, notice the arc. That's the same natural reflex your body uses to orgasm. For more orgasm truths and science, follow me and share your comments below. I look forward to hearing from you, especially on this one.